Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency answered the call over the weekend with a 100% event dubbed Soca Nation. The look, the costumes and the reveling was more than enough for the always trending event, as soca fans poured in from all over the world to party with known soca DJs and Fame resident DJs Bloodline Franco, King Taj and Arif Cooper. The blazing DJs are joined by the energetic Hits 92 DJ Roderick for a one-of-a-kind virtual fit.
Flip it like a flippergram. Look at you, Talia. Viva Talia. Spread that out, man. Oh gosh, man, she pretty. Let's go. Body girl. Mix, 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 mix. Here we go. Hey. Say you can, this is super. I know we're in the Trinidad era. We up in here.
Yelling them rush me. What the hell is that? When they see me in the place, get him, Frank.
Soca Nation was fully endorsed by Bacchanal Jamaica, and Michael Lamars expressed to E Prime his gratitude for the needed soca event.
Bacchanal Jamaica was indeed happy that Fame FM did their soca event, as it's very hard for soca lovers to go a whole year without hearing soca on a regular basis. Bacchanal is ready for 2021, and as soon as we're able to have our carnival, we'll be ready because everything is in place. Looking forward to it.
Soca Nation was conceptualized to fill the void that was left with the soca fans locally due to the cancellation of Jamaica's soca season twice this year. Soca Nation is said to be only the start to Fame Frequency soca events, as more is set to come for the 2021 carnival season. But before 2021, this Saturday, join us on RETV and Fame FM for Fame Frequency Costume Party. No tricks, all treat. And of course, here on TVJ at 10:45, right after the late news. The family of music producer Dalton Brownie is making an urgent call for people to give blood. The music producer and musician suffered a massive heart attack on Saturday and is in need of blood to undergo a quadruple bypass surgery. Now, since news broke yesterday, the music fraternity locally and internationally have been sending their best wishes to the family. Speaking with E Prime, niece Sadane Brownie gave an update on Dalton's current status.
We are asking anyone who is willing and able to donate blood on his behalf. Once you've donated, please contact us at 876-457-3748 so that we can collect your receipt. We would like to have proof of the number of people who have donated on his behalf. So if you need any information on how to donate, you can visit the numeral 1 Blood Bank JA on Instagram for that information. And we are just asking that you keep Dalton in your prayers, but please do not attempt to contact him directly.
Dalton Brownie is a renowned music producer and musician and was the musical director for Freddie McGregor. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.